Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning in to Troublesome Trucks. And today we have some new engines to show off. I think these only came out like within the last month or something, so we're going to unbox and review them. And they are the new 2024 Talkin' Nia and to 2024 Talkin' Diesel. So we have had both of these in previous forms. We had like a paint splattered Nia and like a confetti celebration diesel. Now we just have like standard variants. So we're going to do a double review today, and we still have the Talking Cranky set up from a previous review and unboxing. So here is Nia's face. I think that's almost identical to her standard like 2-pack with her like purple freight car, but and then this Talkin' button on the side, it has a slightly different packaging, I think. It has like the motorized on the side. I think that's quite bold, and engines recognize each other, and you can try her in there. She has a crystal flatbed and excuse me, like a minecart cargo car on the back. There's of course advertising Thomas, so much to do and say, all engines go. I found these at Target for like $25 each, so I saw them a couple times on it, another little trip I took. So look out at your Target if you want to find these, because that's where I've seen them so far. I saw a couple of them. So here's Diesel. He has a bit of a devious expression on. I think that's quite nice. And he has a black car and a tarp that I think is pretty eye-catching. I like the look of that. And then a red kind of flatbed thing. Then hiya, Thomas. Hello, Diesel. What did Nia say? What's up, Thomas? And hello, Nia. So, yeah. I guess we will start. Time to let off steam. And here comes the Diesel Express. That's what they're saying on there. We'll try out some phrases and stuff. So, let's get Nia out of the package. Is there? There's a little bit of tape holding her in. I'll just cut that quickly, and we'll try to see if that lets us get in. And there we are. So, and we have the rubber bands holding her piece on so she can talk in the box. So here front of Nia with her light shines. Pretty standard Nia. Not too much extra detail. It's just kind of standard variant, but still looks nice. I never noticed that she has cap stickers on her other engines variants. It's a little crooked, but I never noticed that on the other ones. Maybe that's new. Not sure. Here's her pink flatbed with blue wheels and the crystal. That's removable. Have to fix up the buffers on that. And here is the pink car. I think it goes quite nice with Nia, and the blue wheels and empty inside. So that is Nia. And now let's unbox Diesel. Quickly cut the tape holding him in. And okay, and we can pull him out. Oh, and we lost his load. And there's instructions inside if you need to know how to take the batteries out and stuff. So again, hit this part off. There's a good head-on of his face. Kind of a scheming face looking to the right, and eyebrows. Eyes kind of squinted, and yeah. No red on the buffer beam on the back, and yeah, pretty standard Diesel. Like this black and red color scheme. As I said, And yeah, nothing inside, but there is a load that goes over the top. And does it fit on? It kind of fits on this one. But red car and red wheels. And yeah, that's pretty much all to say for them. I think they look pretty good. And now it's just time to, they already have batteries, but I'll just get their buffers touched up and stuff, and then we'll have them each run along the tracks. Alright, we have Nia, all her buffers are ready and prepared. Okay, and she's already off. Didn't even, oh, and she hit a buffer. She is off, and she is speeding along as her batteries are pretty fresh because she's newly released, and she is zooming. Switch the tracks, and we'll go through the docks. Let's see what all she has to say.
Choo choo, choo choo, choo-be-doo, choo choo, choo. Click, clack, clickety-clack, click, clack, clickety-clack. Let's rock and roll.
Alright, I think that's all for Nia, and now let's move her out of the way, and we'll let Diesel take over. Alright, now Diesel is on the tracks, and he is ready to roll. Again, he is just booking it. Alright, now let's see what he has got to say.
Hold on to your stack, 'cause Diesel's back. Can't beat me. Spark it. Here comes the Diesel Express. All bolts. Let's race. Hold on to your stack, 'cause Diesel's back.
Alright, and I think that's all Diesel has to say, so I'll quick get Nia, and we will finish up this review. And there we have both of the new engines, talking Nia and Diesel. There they are together. I think both of them are pretty solid, and so if you haven't found them yet, they should be probably in stores pretty soon. But yeah, I think they're pretty good, and nice rolling stock too. So guess we'll maybe we'll have a quick battle with them. We need to alright, we'll have Diesel go and Nia give chase just to end this out. Oh, Nia switched tracks all by herself. I don't know how she did that, but... Oh, Diesel crashed on the points. I guess Nia won. But anyways, guess that'll wrap it up. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Troublesome Truck signing out. Goodbye.